Hi guys, welcome to my channel Defense Niti. So in this video, we'll be discussing regarding the most important topics of general science for defense exams such as CDS, NDA, CAPF. And this is the part 2 of most important topics of general science series. So please watch this video till the end and also subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also please like the video and share it with other defense aspirants also. So moving on. A little introduction about me. This is Preeti Chauhan and I have post-graduated in MSc Honours Biochemistry from Punjab University. I have also qualified multiple defense exams, out of which I qualified for UPSC CDS 6 times in a row, and I also qualified AFCAT. I was also the first rank holder of PGI paramedical tests. Important topics we have first of all we have this atomic structure, which is extremely important. Please star mark this. There are high chances of questions coming from this topic. Atomic structure में the kind of questions we can expect is first of all atomic structure में anything related to electrons, protons, okay, Rutherford's model. Then all the models are important. Okay, J.J. Thomson's model is important. Rutherford's important. Okay, so everything associated with atomic structure, it's hybridization. Okay, what is the shape of the orbitals, shape or the geometry, etc. Whether it is trigonal, planar, whether it is tetrahedral, trigonal, planar, tetrahedral, and so the tetrahedral Mendeleev's periodic table, and everything is who invented the periodic table and the atomic radii. Atomic radii is extremely important, Van der Waals radius, this everything is important. Van der Waals. So basically atomic structure as a chapter is important, so you should be thorough with this, and many of the questions can be there from this particular topic. So coming on to the physical and chemical change, we can expect some question, we can expect one odd question from this physical and chemical change. So basically physical change is that in which the physical form of the molecule is being changed, or obviously the molecule is being changed, whether it is converting from the solid to gas, etc. So they might ask you they might give you 4 options, and they might ask you which of the following is physical change. And also the chemical change, they can also ask you which of the following is a chemical change. Chemical change means the chemical structure of the compound or the molecule is being changed, so you need to answer accordingly. So another is allotropes of carbon, star mark, please star mark this. I have put 3 stars on this, okay. So allotropes of carbon, we have allotropes graphite as the allotrope of carbon, okay. We have carbon. I cannot tell you, I don't know how much I need to stress on this, how much important is this allotropes of carbon. Every year we see questions from this topic, so graphite, carbon is important. So basically the type of question which can be there from this topic is graphite and the diamond, okay. Diamond, okay. So we have a diamond. So diamond's structure, graphite is also graphite also acts as a lubricant, all right. Diamond is the hardest known substance, okay. So you should be knowing the properties of these both these allotropes. And graphite may, and the bonding is such that it has sp2 hybridization, and these are the important questions from the allotropes, okay. Diamond may the hybridization is sp3, it has tetrahedral structure, whereas isme we have trigonal planar, okay. So in this trigonal planar structure, 1 electron is there, I mean it is free. So it acts as an it is free, so it can because of this only, it is the nature of the graphite is that it is unstable as compared to diamond. So if the question can be there that a graphite structure can be asked, which of one of the following acts as lubricant, hybridization of graphite, basically it has a hexagonal structure, okay. So sp2 करके we have layers of these, okay. The graphite में we have this kind of structure, whereas in this sp3 में we have tetrahedral structure, and it is very stable, and it is also the hardest known substance. You should know this. All right, so moving on to the other question. Metals and non-metals is extremely important. We can expect questions from plus. Okay, sodium, calcium. Okay, which of the following is kept in kerosene oil? है ना? We can expect this type of questions. Metals may, which properties of metals, they are malleable, they are ductile. So what is meant by these? And metals the melting temperature, melting point, free yes, melting point is important of metals. Okay, metals ke reactions are important. If sodium is treated with, if I'm just taking sodium as an example, if sodium is treated with X, this non-metal or X, so what would we get and what would gas was released? So this type of question is extremely important. Okay, metals may, the metals may, and metals and non-metals may, they can also ask which metal is liquid at room temperature, because metals are generally solid, but there is one metal which is liquid at room temperature. So you would tell me this in the comment sections. Okay, and they might also ask which, and these type of questions are coming in the exams repeatedly, so you should not miss this question. Okay, non-metals may, which is non-metals may, which is liquid at room temperature. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section. First question is which metal is liquid at room temperature. Second question is which non-metal is liquid at room temperature. Also metals with the kind of question which can come is the reactions, displacement, reaction, etc. Okay, reactions are extremely important. Please know where which gas is being released where, or what is the nature of this gas, which color it emits, kya color hai, odor plus which gas is released in the particular reaction. Okay, so this was about the metals and non-metal. Then we have surface chemistry is important. All right, the colloids and solutions, homogeneous solutions, etc. And also I forgot to tell you, metals may, ores are extremely important. Okay, please star mark this, star star star. Okay, ores are important, and they might ask you bauxite ore is which of the following is an ore of bauxite. Okay, so bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Okay, they might ask hematite, magnetite, galena. Okay, so ores are extremely important. Please do not miss. And another most important topics out of metals and non-metals is we have alloys. Okay, brass is an alloy of which metals. Okay, bronze. Okay, then we have stainless steel. So alloys are extremely important. Cinnabar. So we have alloys important, electrochemistry is important, oxidation states of various metals. Okay, so their reactions are important, electrochemistry, and we can expect numericals from electrochemistry as well. Now the most important topic is chemistry in everyday life, which is important as well. It is quite easy topic. Isme the kind of questions we can expect is first of all, what chemicals we use in daily life. Chemistry in everyday life means what do we use in daily life, such as we use various acids in our daily life, like we use acetic acid, so where is it coming from? Acetic acid, citric acid. Okay, also citric acid, malic acid. Malic acid is there in apple, citric acid, citron fruits, acetic acid is there from acetic acid is this. Okay, vinegar may we have acetic acid. This is the chemistry in everyday life, so you should know this. Very basic questions can come from chemistry in everyday life, and anybody can, even the non-science students can learn this part. So please do not miss this part. Okay, this is very easy. Also polymers may also, chemistry in everyday life can also, questions from polymers can also come. Polymers such as bakelite, melamine, we use these daily. Polyethylene. Okay, polyethylene is a polymer of which substance, so which compound or substance. So they can ask questions like these. Okay, bakelite is made up of which monomers. Okay, this is also important. We use these in daily life. Teflon. Okay, so PVC, which these polymers are made up of which monomers, or they can ask the vice versa. Next is biomolecules. So biomolecules is important as per chemistry, and also this not just chemistry plus biology. So if you cover biomolecules, you will be covering biology as well. Biomolecules like proteins, their functions, diseases associated with this, proteins, carbohydrates, their structures, what are they made up of, and their bonds. All right, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, what sugar is there in nucleic acids. Okay, so moving on. So these were the important topics of chemistry. I have covered, I've tried to cover all. So please go through the NCERTs or wherever you are preparing from. So please cover these topics. Okay, these were the most important topics. So coming on to the physics, most important topics. First of all, I've numbered motion, laws of motion as first, but I would stress on this optics. Optics is extremely important, and extremely important. We get to see a lot of questions from optics, and every year questions are coming from optics. So optics में total internal reflection is important, refraction is important, okay, prism is important, है ना? So many of the questions are there, and the magnification is important. The formula is magnification is important. Also, we can expect questions from numericals from the formula. Okay, numericals are there. Okay, from the convex lens, concave lens. Okay, and plane mirror as well, concave lens, and we can expect questions from plane mirror. And rainbow, etc., mirage, what is this phenomena there in rainbow mein kya hota hai, and how many TIRs are there in rainbow. Okay, secondary rainbow banta hai tab kitni hoti hai, primary mein kitni hoti hai. This question has been asked in this, and these all are important topics. Please focus on optics. Every year the questions are coming from optics, so please go through this very nicely. Okay, so another most important topic is laws of motion. And then we have in which if a bus is just started, so ऐसे the type of questions are there जिसमें कि which law of motion is applicable in this. Okay, so Newton's laws है ना, which इसमें motion, laws of motion में we can expect numericals. Okay, numericals can be there. Waves is important. Okay, work energy waves में work energy power, another most important topic is work energy power में numericals from work energy power. Okay, this is given, this is let's say this is an object having mass m, तो इसमें क्या क्या force लग रही है, कौन सी force is neutralizing which force. Okay, so which is the net force. The questions can come from this, like net force. Also from in work energy power, the kind of questions which can come is which kind of energy is converting to which kind of energy. For example, we have a microphone. So we are the input is kind of, we are providing the kind of energy we are providing, it is converted to like electrical energy. So what type of energy is converting to what type of energy? So you would be telling me ki in microphone, which type of energy are we, what is the input and what output. I have already told you that it is electrical. These type of questions can come ki whether it is mechanical is converted to electrical or electrical is converted to sound energy. So this type of questions can also come. Also numericals, power is there, time is there, energy, find energy, or vice versa, energy di hui hai, and so on. So this is about work energy and power, and also AC, DC, etc., numericals from these, and the function of transformers. Okay, what is the function of transformers? So another most important topic is current and electricity. We can expect questions from this as well, which is V is equals to IR is equals, which is constant, and so we can expect numericals from this Ohm's law. Okay, this may give we have, okay, so we have resistance दी हुई है, हमें current is given, है ना, we have to find voltage, and also questions are being coming on resistivity repeatedly. Resistivity. So resistivity is the most important question which can come from this is resistivity is units. Okay, and units of every conductance unit, conductivity ki units are important. We can expect a lot of questions. Current, electricity is important, and resistivity is related. The questions can come. We have this wire, and we have it is vertically, it is dissected vertically, horizontally. Area is doubled, है ना, twice the area. Length is halved, length has become L by 2. What is going to be the resistivity? So the answer is always going to be resistivity is always going to be same, because it is a function of the material. It depends on material only. Until unless you do not change the material, the resistivity is going to be the same. Okay, then we have gravitation, है ना, the laws, Kepler's law, etc. Numericals based on this law. Okay, so this was about the most important topics of general science part 2 video. So for more quality content, please subscribe the channel and also share this video with other defense aspirants. And please study well, and till then, goodbye.